So there's holes.
Hi there. Today we're going to be opening a Mainstays brand 20-inch box fan.
Let me see.
It is blue. You're in the way.
I want to see that.
It's blue. It says window use safe with a built-in handle for cord storage. 3 speeds, no assembly required. And we got this at Walmart. Alright, buddy. You ready to show the fan?
Yeah.
Alright. Can you show the fan? Move the box. It's a very nice fan. It's a striking blue. And it has 3 speeds. Alright, put it on high. Here's the high speed. It's pretty loud, but it's very productive. Can you put it on medium? Here's the medium speed. What does it sound like, buddy?
Medium.
Smells like medium. Sounds like. Think you put it on low? Go put it on low.
That's high.
Yeah, no, this is on medium. Put it on low. There we go. This is low. This is probably what we're gonna leave this on. In the living room. We're gonna put it in the living room. Okay?
I want it in the kitchen.
Okay, maybe we'll put another fan in the living room. We'll discuss that. So let's look at the knob. It has these numbers. There's numbers for the settings. It's very, very nice. Turn it. In the back, there's a grill. They cord it at the back. Now let's look at the feet. So this fan does have feet. Now they can rotate for storage. Alright. There we go. Nice snap. Good job.
I don't know what if you turn it off.
So what do you think? What do you think about this fan, buddy? Do you like this fan?
Yeah.
How much do you like it? On a scale of 1 to 10, how many points?
Well, is that fan off right there?
It's turning off.
That one's turning off.
Well, that's the video.
That's turning off.
The blue fan is turning off. It's a very pretty blue.
And it turned off.
Conversation fan, if you will. There we go. So is this a good fan, buddy?
Yeah.
Alright, how many thumbs up? How many thumbs up? All the thumbs. So thank you for watching our video for the Mainstays brand 20-inch box fan. We got ours at Walmart. Oh, there's a box. Got ours at Walmart. Window use safe.
I moved the air.
Oh my gosh.
Can I see that? When you turn it off, if you turn it off, it turns off.
When you turn it off, it turns off.
Turn back on. turned off.
It's a feature.
I'm gonna put the phone on the table.
Yeah. Well. Alright. Can you say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
Go wave goodbye.
Goodbye.
No, go wave goodbye over there. Say no at the camera over here. Wave goodbye over here. Thanks for watching. Bye.